Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Git stash temporarily shelves changes to give you a clean working directory. Think of it as a short-term drawer where modified tracked files live while you switch tasks. Use git stash push message to save changes with a name and include you to also stash untracked files. Stashes are stored as references like stash at 0 and are ordered by time, so the most recent is stash at 0. This lets you return to work without committing half-finished changes. To record and inspect stashes, use concise commands. Git stash push mmsg saves tracked changes, add you to include untracked files, and add all to include ignored files as well. Git stash list shows stashes with their index and message, so you can choose by stash at n. Inspect a stash with git stash, show p stash at 0 to view a unified diff, or git stash show name only to list changed files. Use clear naming and frequent listing to avoid confusion. When you need your changes back, choose apply or pop. Git stash pop applies a stash and removes it from the stack, which is handy when you are finished with the saved state. Git stash apply applies without removing the stash, so you can reuse it or test multiple times. To continue a feature, run git stash branch new branch stash at 0, which creates a new branch and applies the stash cleanly. Remove unwanted stashes with git stash, drop stash at 0, or git stash clear to wipe all entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.